Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com.
Today, I'll show you how to make a wreath out of pom-pom yarn. I'm using a 16-inch foam wreath and 2 balls of Red Heart Pomp Doodle yarn. It has pom-poms connected with string in between. First, place some hot glue on the wreath and place the first pom-pom into the glue to hold it. Once it is dried, just wrap the yarn around the wreath like this. I'm leaving about 1.5 inches space in between the strands. We're going to go back later and fill these in. After you've gone around the wreath once, if you have leftover yarn, just go around the wreath again until you use up all the yarn. Glue the last pom-pom to the wreath. Take the next color pom-pom yarn and glue it to an empty space on the wreath. And again, just wrap the yarn around the wreath, pushing the ball of yarn through the center as you go. Glue that last pom-pom to the wreath. The next step is to hide all of the string. Just move the pom-poms around and push the strings closer to the foam part of the wreath. This way you won't see much of the string. I like to attach a bow to the wreath with some glue. And that's it. Please like and comment on this video.
And please push that big red subscribe button on my channel. And check out my website at reviewsbysarah.com.